Iceland, tell your mom to visit us. Come visit us. Well, there was food, no, but like sometimes makulang. Like the first 2 years in the marriage, like pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. Kasi kulang, alias has his own, alias is provided. Kasi nakahiya naman, di ba, na parang nakil-ride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my stuff. And my tampons, my toiletries, that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just because Elias was only a toddler at the time. He was in schooling and I was in Cebu. When I'm in Cebu, everything is taken care of. My house, bills, driver, it's all paid for the company. So my only gastos when I was in Cebu there was only my groceries. So it was fair, no? Na yun lang. Actually, I didn't ask for 20. I only asked for 10. But since it was John Lloyd who insisted, he'll double the amount. So, from 10,000, he wanted to double it, naging 20. So, yeah. So, that explains it. Okay? There. Well, this is not the first time. You should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's